Today I am gonna make a bench that looks hard to make and I have pretty much zero woodworking experience. Let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna try to make this bench, which apparently looks like it costs $1,300. No nails or screws. It says it's kind of easy. I think it's gonna be pretty hard, but I have made about 1 million planter boxes, so hopefully I'm ready. Okay, I got my wood staking stuff. I got my hydration station. I have what will be about 24 pieces of 2x4s, and I have a T-square. I have a T-square. So all I need to do is cut them and then put them at a perfect 90-degree angle without the tools you do that for. Generally, this looks pretty good. I was just practicing the setup before I start clamping and gluing. There's just one tiny little detail, and it's that some of these, like that one, are significantly longer than the others. See that? Those are uneven. So the question is now, do I try to cut off that like centimeter, less than a centimeter, and potentially make it worse, or do I glue it together anyway and then just sand the bejesus out of it later? I think I'm just gonna glue them together anyway. That's the side that's going on the ground anyway, so I think it's fine. I am halfway through making the bench. It's definitely not perfect, but I think it looks cool. And I have the wrong clamps and the wrong kind of tools, but so far, so good. I left this to cure overnight, and it generally looks pretty good, except for that when I put it upright, this fell off, which was here. And the problem, you can see the glue, you can tell my clamps aren't the right kind of clamps, so this might turn into a nail project versus a glue only project, unfortunately. It's also been very wet and rainy like this for about 10 days. So between the rain for 3 straight days and not having the best clamps, my bench was staying together, but pretty easy to pull apart. Ends up looking like this, which is just wood glue that's not dry after 3 days and like not sticking. So I'm just gonna nail these or screw these together. Honestly, I think saying screw it was the way to go. I love how I have my edges lined up. I gotta sand everything and finish it. Let's see. Yeah, solid. This is almost done. There's just one last step. It's been cut, sanded, stuck together, stained, waterproofed, and now we are ready for the final step of finishing the bench. Oh, this is the perfect bench. Thanks. Look, there's cats. You can buy the bench you want that I made for $600,000, or you could just subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.